If you've ever tried affiliate marketing, you know how tough it can be. Ads are expensive, SEO takes forever, and social media algorithms keep changing. That's where ghost pages come in. Ghost pages are hidden, Google-powered pages that let you promote affiliate offers without a website, hosting, or paid traffic. They're built using Google's own free tools, which means they rank fast and stay live long-term. Here's how it works. You create a ghost page focused on a specific keyword related to your affiliate offer. For example, best budget fitness tracker. Or how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Then, inside the page, you add helpful content and the link to your affiliate offer or bridge page. Because ghost pages rank naturally on Google, your offer gets seen by real people who are already searching for that exact solution, meaning higher clicks, better conversions, and pure organic traffic. It's 100% beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed, and you stay completely anonymous while earning commissions. If you want to start using ghost pages to promote affiliate offers the smart way, check out the link in the description and learn how to set up your first page today.